Alright, so these are the original grills that came on the 2008 BMW 328i. And the finish on these grills are chrome. So I'm gonna switch them out for matte black ones. So this is what they look like. So the new grills came with instructions on how to install them. But it looks like this is a newer BMW 3 Series, like the F30 style chassis one. So this is the new kidney grill that I'm installing, and as you can see, it's just held on by clips. There's no screws or bolts. Alright, so to pop out the original kidney grills, I'm just gonna undo these 4 bolts. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And it's gonna be I think it's a T27. Alright, so I got those 4 bolts removed. So now I'm just gonna take off these weather stripping pieces. And like that. Alright, so I just got this kidney grill removed. So it just held on by clips on the back. And then you can see the slots where it inserts and it clips on. Alright, so I'm sure you can just put your hand through the kidney grill and just pull this straight out. But I don't want to damage these slots right here and just rip off the plastic. So what I'm doing is I'm reaching up right here towards the back of the bumper, and I'm just pressing out the clips so the grill's release more easily, so I don't gotta worry about ripping off the plastic. Alright, so I got both kidney grills removed, so now I'm just gonna pop this back on. So I'm just gonna line up the tabs on the top, make sure they're going in, and then just push in. So I'm just gonna reach around, make sure all those clips are clipped in. Alright, so I got the 4 Torx bolts installed back on, so now I can put back the weather stripping. So it just presses on. Alright, so next I'm going to change out the top part of the grill for these black ones. Alright, so to replace the top part of the grill, it's just removing these 3 bolts right here, and they're gonna be T20s. All right, so I got the old one off. So now I can just bolt back in the new one. So these are side oriented. So left side means driver's side. So I'm just gonna screw that back in like this. Alright, so I got everything installed back, and this is what it looks like.